Okay, so real quick, I got a new CanaKit Raspberry Pi 3 starter edition to replace a Raspberry Pi Zero W that blew up. And I thought real quick, I've already opened, but I thought real quick I'd show you what's inside the box and how to put the Pi into the case. So when you get this kit, it's on Amazon. They don't do affiliate links anymore, but I'll put a link to it in the description. You get an HDMI cable. I've already opened this. Like I said, this is a 5-volt, 2.5 amp USB power cable. You get a Raspberry Pi 3 with a preloaded, in this kit, 32 gigabyte micro SD card. It tells you make sure that you do not leave it in the Pi while you put it in the case, and that if you put this in your PC, a Windows PC may only see it as a 1 gig drive. It comes with a little adapter for plugging this into your PC. Basically, you put the micro SD card in it and then slide this into your computer, available USB port so you can see it. And then, of course, we get the case. I got the black case. I think they come in clear. And look at all the fingerprints. So what you do, and the quick start guide, which, how fast can you guys pause, 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 done. All right, and then that one. All right, so that's out of there. Ooh. What we're going to do is actually going to sit, and I'm old and crap. So what you do is you pop off the top, comes off nice and easy. Then you push on the bottom, push through. There's little holes for the different parts in here. Push those out, and it should pop out fairly easy. So it's a 3-piece case. Then carefully make sure that you're not, that you're grounded, that you don't have a lot of static in you. As it says all over the box that any static discharge is not covered by the warranty. Then you take the case, and there's one design. It's got little notches on one side that you can see, and those notches line up with the HDMI port and the USB power port and the audio port. If you don't know what this is a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. It's a little computer on a card. I've added some heat sinks to it that came also in the Cana Kit. It has Wi-Fi, HDMI, 4 USB 2.0 outlets, and a 10100 Ethernet adapter. It's got a headphone jack on it, a full-size HDMI out, and this is the power adapter in. This is where that memory card, the 32 gig memory SD card, will go, and this set of pins up here is for adding crazy accessories, like you can add cameras and all sorts of stuff. So back to the point is to put this in. You notice that the holes line up a little bit. There's an arrow in the upper left corner, and you slide the board underneath that arrow and forward, and then push down. Oh, come on. Push down. And it doesn't feel like it's in there very tight, but it is. So it's under the arrow in the upper corner, and it's under this little notch here. You don't need to screw the case down, and there aren't even marks on the bottom of the case for mounting it. Then carefully take the top half, or the middle part, and line it up and push it down. It should line up just fine and snap down. And you'll see that that's where your SD card will go. And you got little feet on the bottom. And then on the top, you have notches and marks. And they line up, those angle marks up here line up with those. And bada boom. Just kind of push it down. It seems to be that leaves a little gap, and I see a little mark in a couple of places, so I don't know that it goes all the way down. I don't want to squeeze and break it, but I think it leaves a gap so that their airflow can come out. And that's it. And then you would insert the SD card, either insert a full-size keyboard and mouse, which it definitely will handle, put in a network cable, and then the video out to a laptop or to a screen or a TV, and plug in the power. And that's it. So there you go. So on Beyond the Milwaukee Bubble, here's a quick how to put a Raspberry Pi into a case. Thank you very much, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye now.